Don't forget to hit that sub button.
Thank you, Castro.
Tell him, Cast.
Best videos you guys can ever see.
You guys have any questions? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that sub button. We go live Monday to Friday at 12.
No one wants to sub to your channel, bro.
Time.
Deja, you should just record Castro saying that and play it before each stream.
I should, honestly.
Save yourself the
Welcome
breath.
to Deja's live training session today on this day, September 29th at 2 p.m. Don't forget to hit that like and
fucked it up,
subscribe
C's.
button.
C's, you're done, bro. Get him out of here.
Throw him out.
We are live every day at 2 p.m. Central.
I need to hire that UFC guy.
Bruce Buffer?
Yeah.
Let's get
Bruce
more
Buffer.
stream.
Holy shit, that'd be epic as fuck.
Or just
I'd
hire
totally
We-
just for
Live.
Easy, man. Easy.
All right, NIO is holding 21. Now it's not. Now it is. Now it's not. Now it is. All right, we're good.
Please, just close under 21.
Time.
Why, is that what you have? You have 21s, Castro?
21's for 10-9, bro.
Oh, God.
I'm fucking sweating.
You know what I feel like with those AMDs and Walmarts fucking 2 weeks
Dude,
ago?
Yeah, I was watching that for you. Like,
Literally
I had it up
sat
on
on my strike price, dude.
Sweating like I popped a molly, dude. Just fuck, man. Like, don't get me wrong, my 20s, my November 20s are fucking solid, but
I got October 20s. They're paying.
Man,
What is the-
Walmart.
What is USLT talking about?
What do you say?
What in the actual fuck is going on? What did I miss?
Oh, we're doing
We were doing
we're
intros
doing,
for the stream.
intros for Deja's stream.
Yeah, Castro's recording an intro for Deja stream.
Oh. It's not nearly as exciting.
Dime,
as
you
it sounded.
posted that screenshot on Twitter when you messed up the text?
Shut up.
That nobody caught that on Twitter?
I corrected it and said I meant to say 333s.
Oh yeah, that's an easy way to get away with it.
Look at Walmart.
I was right. You can be mad.
That's actually a brilliant way to make calls, because you could, so like NIO right now, it's at 21. I could say it's gonna go to like $20, but then I could say later I messed up and I meant 22 when it goes up.
Well, I marked it on the chart so I can.
No, that sounds like Dime.
No, I do. You did post a chart, so you saved yourself.
Bro, look at Facebook, man. Facebook's about to go to 265.
Yeah,
bro.
Facebook's ripping face.
What did I say? 263 in a day. I said it like 5 times. Looking good.
All time.
You say good call, Don?
Yeah. That's the way to trigger you.
Guys just don't like making money, huh?
That Dime just has really solid calls.
That's the nicest thing you've ever said.
I
You're
was
welcome.
just about to say that's a negative.
I
You're
told.
welcome.
All right, everyone needs to tone it down like 3 ticks today.
Haha.
Tone it down? That's impossible.
Have we cursed this week?
Oh yeah, hey, who's got the curse jar today?
Eileen's not here to pass it, so I guess Eileen still has it.
She can't have it. She can't still have it. It's not how it works.
Every cell in my body is fighting itself, because I don't know if I should take profit or just let this thing skyrocket. If this was any other market, if this was like the market back in June, I wouldn't even think twice. I would just hold on to this. But because we're so sketch, it makes you want to take profit on everything.
Nah, we're going up from here, dude. We called the bottom on ES, man.
Yeah, Facebook looks like it wants to rip faces. You guys are right.
We called the bottom on fucking SPY. It's up from here.
We did to the tick, literally.
Then why do I have puts?
Because you're a gay bear.
You like
And because you're
you
always
like
sleeping, so
the
you never
you
see
like the
market.
pain.
enjoy the pain.
Dude, Oxy
Time.
is sitting on my
You're great,
strike
bro.
too.
If
You're
we
great, bro.
nuke towards the end of the day, I'm gonna buy some hedge calls though.
263 is still the target, Zach. If it breaks that, you have 270 probably.
Dude, it looks good.
268. 268 pivot.
Kind of sketch taking any new positions today.
I should have taken the 263, so I'm in a lot of trades.
Ladies and gentlemen, Deja Brew has called a stop at 2:12 p.m.
This
declaring
fool
winner
Caesar
by
didn't
profit
talk for 10
loss.
minutes to practice this. Confirmed.
Dime, did I counter trade you, Dime?
On what?
On SPY?
When?
Caesar, you're great,
Yeah,
bro. Keep
What
going.
likely.
SPY puts did you buy?
333s, 10-7.
Oh no, I thought I counter traded you. I didn't. Close though.
I'm really just betting on end of quarter and debate volatility. I mean, I'm not like omega bearish, but I think that if Biden shows any strength tonight, the market's going to react. That's my premise.
Listen to what you just said. If Biden has any strength.
How much money are we putting on him being coked out of his mind?
Dude, he has
You
an
Biden?
earpiece, dude.
Who, Biden?
Yeah.
If that dude did coke, he'd fucking die.
Yeah, he'd fucking have a heart attack.
His
It's
body can't handle that.
John, I don't know what's going on. Somebody in stream just said, "What is going on in here?" Do you guys want to answer that?
Let him know, Castro.
we're talking about Mr. Joe Biden.
We're a,
And
prof-
it's
we're a,
true.
pro-
We-
we're a
Our future
professional.
president.
We're a professional trading group.
Get him out of here. Get him the fuck out of here.
You know, we're never political here. We never like to talk about politics, but we have to discuss, what's happening tonight at 9 p.m. Eastern time.
We're all making money and we're all really happy. That's what's
John,
going on.
we are in a trading group voice chat for the Oasis trading group, and they get a little crazy this time of day.
A little.
Now,
That's what
11:30
happens
is
when
like the
you fucking
sketchiest
keep
hour.
a leash on a dog for 8 hours straight.
Exactly.
Good way to put it, man, for sure. I don't know. Caesar hasn't said anything crazy today, man. He must be playing COD.
Or
Hey, did I tell you guys
No.
I got the camera that flings the treats?
Yeah.
No, how is it? How is it?
It's pretty. It's funny, dude.
Does he
It
try
makes
to?
like it makes a chirping noise right before the treats like flipped, and like as soon as he hears it, dude, he fucking runs towards it.
Oh, that's fucking awesome.
Does he go nuts? Like try to catch it out of the air?
No, he doesn't try to catch it out of the air. But like it makes a chirping noise, and then it like this you could hear the spring like cock back, to load the treat up, and then he just goes wild. And sometimes it'll shoot it like 2 feet. Sometimes it'll shoot it like fucking 7 or 8 feet, dude. That thing's like a fucking sniper, man. It's like taking an AX-50 to the face. It's pretty cool though. Like there's a motion sensor on there. I got to turn off the notifications because it's literally giving me notifications every time I walk past it. But it has like a person recognizer. It tells you if the dog's barking or like howling and shit.
Yeah, I used to have that like on a different thing. It's pretty useful.
And it's called the Furbo. This morning I was still at work and my girlfriend woke up and like I have it connected to a light switch because I don't want it on all the time. So at night when I close the lights, it turns off and shit. But she woke up this morning and the lights turned on. I got a notification the camera went on and I just started flinging them treats. Like first thing in the morning, dude. She was like, "What are you doing? It's too fucking early for treats." I shot him out like 5 treats.
If NIO breaks this uptrend, I'm gonna close half. We're up 150 a contract already. Fucking easy money.
J-May, did you see my short from last night?
Your ES short.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was a good call.
Yeah.
Did you close? You closed that, right?
No, I'm still in it.
Jesus.
No longer a good call.
I mean, it's a good call, even though you was long just the day before, but it's cool.
It don't. It's fucking MES.
Actually, I wasn't long. I missed this entire upward impulse except for in my long-term SPY holdings.
You
Wow, that's
You
what's
didn't
up.
buy the pivot time.
I did in my IRA. I didn't have calls. I was scalping puts. You saw the other day. I scalped September 24th through the 25th.
Oh,
And I think
shit,
and
that's
I
not
think
good.
I had puts on 3319
Asia.
What's
last
up?
week.
What you just posted? That's not good.
Oh yeah. Oh, they're safe, man. What do you mean?
It's actually quite the opposite. It's actually
They're
bad.
safe, dude. The media says they're safe, so they're safe.
You're right. You're right.
Did you see the Project Veritas thing?
Yeah, we talked about that.
Tom, I can't believe you didn't buy the pivot, dude.
Yo,
I did.
what a fucking.
I got filled at 320.
Yo, no way. That's not good. USLT.
Bro, I don't know. Like, you guys have to real deal think about it. Like, you guys don't think all these news is gonna come out right before the debates? Like, come on.
Exactly.
They trying to shit on Trump. They've been doing this for how long? They're gonna try to find anything. Like, let's
What do
wait until the actual debates happen.
What do you want to bet that some news is going to drop like an hour before? Something
So,
that so that
this
Trump
is just
can't
a
react.
rumor.
Next thing you know, they're gonna be like, stimulus is passed.
Oh, if stimulus comes out like an hour before, imagine that.
I mean, the Democrats, they're trying to push it. So let's see if the Republicans in the Senate, let's see if they agree to it.
Hey, Esteban. We are just watching NIO here because we're in a big NIO trade. We've been holding it for a long time.
It's taking the whole day for Apple to break out, man.
God damn it! Is SPY doing a broadening wedge?
Damn, you pick up some shares of that Corsair, right?
I did. I think I'm gonna get a little lower though.
I picked up more this morning.
Yeah, I picked up 100 yesterday, and I'm up 2.8%. If it dips tomorrow, I'll probably add. I was reading a lot about them. What's up, Dan? Sorry.
I think it can visit 16, 17 very easily on a red market day.
Yeah.
There's a very nice
so as well.
support level. I mean, it would have to be like an across the market down red day.
Just thinking about their like overall growth, though, right? It's like they don't really manufacture like chips or anything.
Everyone loves their keyboards. I have one of their keyboards.
Yeah.
They're
I have one of their keyboards, like somewhere like next to one.
Brian, I actually have an alarm that goes off every day at 10:30, so I mark out the initial balance on SPY.
NIO really wants to break out here.
I think I actually forgot to do it today. Let's see.
Just waiting to build a new PC, man.
Don't get it pre-built, bro.
Fuck that.
I'm waiting for Black Friday.
I don't know. I don't like getting anything on Black Friday. Usually they say that everything is cheap on Black Friday because they sell all the defective shit.
Some places yes, some places no. Like TradingView. By the way, TradingView is 40% off on Black Friday if you guys want it.
That's where I always re-up my TradingView.
The PlayStation Plus, the 1 year, is like 50% off.
TradingView basically told me they're gonna keep giving me TradingView for free.
What? How? How'd you do that?
I don't know.
Blow them?
No, not really. I participated in one of their contests. They gave me 3 months of their Pro Plus plan, and they said, "Hey, yeah, when that runs out, just
Holy
let us know."
fuck, this thing is ripping.
And they said, "Yeah, we'll continue to comp you." I was like, okay, great.
ADIL. There's big news. Apparently, it got FDA approved to do finger pricking to test for COVID, and Trump might mention it at some point this week. So it's ripping now.
What is the ticker, bro?
See, the problem
AD
is with. Go ahead, Ryan. I'm
ADIL.
Go
sorry.
ahead, Jim.
I was talking about fucking something else. Go ahead.
Yeah, Castro, it's ADIL.
Holy shit! It's up 115%.
I was gonna say with the Black Friday thing though, is like you're not gonna get sales on like stuff that is still high in demand.
Yeah, good shit, basically.
One of you
Like
guys
there's not
sounds
gonna be
like
sales on the new Nvidia cards. There's not gonna be sales on the new Samsung hard drives.
one of you guys sound like you were flying an F-22. What do you mean by that? Yeah, Brian, I got a bunch of volume profile stuff on my channel if you check out my How to Trade playlist. Cherie, I think you're asking 10:30 Eastern. That's when I do the initial balance. Yeah, so 9:30 to 10:30, first hour of the day.
Damn, nasty 5-minute candle on SPY.
It's
Yes.
at resistance.
Nuking.
Gross.
What's NIO doing?
NIO's holding up. It's actually hasn't fallen much. Still a little bit under 21.
Hey, ARM, what's going on, guys? A lot of you
I'm so-
guys are first-time viewers, I think, or you're just new names. You guys like content, make sure to hit the subscribe button, as Castro said. If you like the video, make sure to like the video. Sound of the mic. Well, I'm trying to think about which guy you're talking about. You're probably talking about Rhino. He's on his phone, that's why.
He's also on a continent very, very far away.
Wait, what? What's wrong with my phone?
No, nothing wrong with it. Somebody said that one of the guys sounds like they're flying an F-22. Either you or JMA.
Might have been me hitting my vape.
Your brother's in F-22.
Okay.
What does that even mean, right?
Yeah, I don't know.
What did he say?
That's
I wanted to say his mom is in F-22, but I didn't want to be disrespectful.
5-minute bear div on NIO makes me want to close half here, but I'm going to wait till the trend breaks.
Oh shit. Had to go somewhere. Perfect.
Such a damn clean chart.
MES is on a 5-minute pivot right now.
I'm back.
Yeah, it's struggling around VWAP. VWAP.
Man, I might have to buy JP Morgan once it actually bottoms out.
Yeah, I saw that, Johnny. JP Morgan and what was the other one we talked about?
How
Yeah.
are they? They're going up. On
got-
the 5-minute, they're going up.
They got caught in the trading scandal.
You know, their earnings are in like 4 days, and this feels like a negative news story to make everyone fucking sell it.
Brian, I think the theory behind it works on pretty much anything. You just have to figure out what is a good time for the initial balance. I use the first hour. Some people use, so there's initial balance, there's initial range. Some people, for like initial range, they use the first like 15-minute candle, or even the first 5-minute candle, because they assume that all the big trades that wanted to get filled on the open should have been filled in that first 15 minutes. I think that's a little too close, so I like the first hour.
I can't wait to build a new PC, man.
I would wait until we don't hear anything else about. Did you see the RTX glitches that have been coming out?
I didn't watch the video you posted. Regardless, I'm buying it.
Yeah, no, you should, but I would maybe wait 2 to 4 weeks before to let them fix the supply line issues and fix the drivers.
All right, Neo's nuking. I might
Or
close
you could
here.
just go with the more expensive ones so they don't get the cheap parts.
There's, from what I can tell, there's literally no reason to buy the 3090 unless you have an 8K or a 4K monitor.
1
Neo's
hour, 1 hour on Neo is really ugly.
Yeah, it's probably because of Tesla. It's following Tesla.
Is
Tesla's
Tesla
down for the
nuking?
day.
I
If I can
Yeah,
get my
down.
hands on that 3090, I'll buy it.
I think he wants the 3090 to future proof it.
Yeah, Tesla's at 418 right now.
Tesla is in the danger zone, man. This little area right here, it can fucking get obliterated by the end of the week.
I mean, I hope so. I'm just gonna pick up more Tesla. All these people are stupid.
Yeah, if it goes mid threes, I'll grab some.
Oh my god, this thing is moving. It might
When you
get
get
halted.
3950X processor, the 3090 video card. I forgot what motherboard I had listed on there. What was it? The 517 or some shit? 572,
570.
570.
What
Literally
the
gonna
fuck,
sink
NVIDIA?
5Gs into this fucking thing.
No problem,
What are we
Brian.
sticking 5Gs into? A new PC or?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. I'm gonna probably have two what are the new hard drives called? Not the SSDs, the
M.2. M.2.
M2. Yeah, I'm probably gonna have like 2 of those.
Wait for the Samsungs to come out.
When's that?
Was it
In
Steve's
like,
October 12th?
yeah, in like a week or two. The Samsung 980 Pro.
Yeah. That's what
5K, 5K is overkill in my eyes, but it will future-proof it for sure. It's the same as buying a 2K PC and then 3 years later buying another 2K PC. I just think for like trading and gaming, anything over like 25, 300, 3,000 is just kind of overkill.
I got the fastest benchmarked hard drive, but it's not going to last but about a month, and then the Samsung comes out.
Thoughts on Etsy? Let me take a look.
I didn't even look at Etsy today. Yesterday was on fire.
Yeah, it looks good. Still holding above this trend.
There's no option flow for Etsy today. Just letting you guys know.
I'm guessing there was heavy option flow yesterday, right?
I don't know.
I think as long as it stays above 120, 119, it's okay to continue.
ACB's getting some call flow today. Have you looked at the ACB chart this quarter?
No.
Oh my god. So I longed earnings and I closed it like 2 days early, and then it bled out pretty much every day for the entire quarter. And I think people are betting on it because Biden might say something good about marijuana. I'm not going to take it. Yeah. It's
No,
like the most
That's
like the most oh,
talking
go
about
ahead.
Neo. Sorry, go ahead.
That's the
ACB
most
is just,
bullshit thing, Dime.
I know. I'm not touching it, but last earnings they fucking ripped.
Neo failed below that trend, instantly bought back up, and it's back above that trend. Beautiful. End it.
You think it'll continue to go up tomorrow?
Neo?
Yeah.
It's really hard to say because I think the debates are just throwing a wrench in predictions. I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I got 30 minutes to decide. Either fully close, I take $150 per contract profit. I can sell a contract, probably the 21. 21's too close. Probably the 22s to hedge, Or
why
I
don't you
could
just?
just close half.
I was gonna say, why don't you just like buy a deep out of the money put in case there's a nuke expiring end of week?
I think that's lighting my money on fire. I like my other choices.
That's fine.
I think
Don, when you hedge, do you do like, like make it equal pretty much?
It
Like
depends
where
on
you're
my
bottlenecking yourself?
it depends on my conviction on the trade. Um, like if I have 10 contracts on Microsoft, I'll buy like one or two out of the money puts, just as kind of like a just in case. It depends on the situation though and what it is. If the puts fail, they're usually so cheap that I don't give a fuck. Wow, Microsoft has not had any love today. My Cheddar Flow video is going live tomorrow.
What video?
They asked me to do a video on how I use Cheddar Flow, and so I did. It took me like 4 takes, and I finally got it. But it's just like a video of how I look at the data, what filters I use, um, how basically just what you do.
Practically explaining how bearish you are, huh?
No, not really. I showed 2 trades that I took, the VIX trade and the SPY puts at the top. I showed how watching the order flow could give you like even if you're not an option trader, could give you a signal about a market approaching a potential top.
What are you talking about? Videos?
Yeah, I have an account on OnlyFans now.
Nice, nice.
No, Cheddar Flow asked me to make a video for them, so I did.
What'd you put on their website?
It's not live yet. It's going live tomorrow. They just told me.
Nice.
Yeah, Zach, a lot of those parts are similar. How much did that PC run you, Zach?
That can't be a real tweet.
It is. It's on his timeline. That's from 2012, though.
NIO is trapping all of those sellers.
Seasoned and feisty debater.
If it gets back above this pivot, it's going to trap these players.
There is literally a tweet for everything.
I know.
Literally.
There's a great subreddit called Trump Criticizes Trump. Anytime.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and it's basically just a series of his tweets that are very timely. And anytime pretty much he says something, people go digging through his old tweets and they find him saying the exact opposite. There was one point where he's like, if one person dies from swine flu, I think it was, Obama should resign. And now look where we are.
Imagine being that person that goes back and reads all that shit.
Really?
There's probably some easy search functions.
Imagine wasting your time doing it, though.
Yeah, I can add in video, okay?
I mean, it's funny.
Does it make that money?
No.
Sounds like a waste of time to me.
Come on, NVIDIA.
It depends on how far back you look. On the 1 minute, wouldn't really consider that a bull flag. Too much of a dip from the impulse. Impulse, dip is too far. You go back to here, maybe.
J-May, did you buy any of those Cisco calls I called out last week?
No, I was going to buy stock, but I didn't end up doing it.
I'm up 20% on those.
Yeah, it looked like it was putting in a bottom.
It was on the logarithmic 618, so good place to buy. I don't know if it's going to keep going. I haven't actually looked at the chart today.
NQ went back in that same damn channel it had broken out of.
Hourly MES is not looking great. It's looking like a swing. Those 333 puts I got are in profit. My 330s were in profit this morning, and I should have closed them.
Holy crap. Maybe it's just one big, huge bull flag, right?
It could be a broadening wedge setting up, but I don't know. Everything at this point so far is still lower high. If we can get a daily close, assuming we go down, if we can get a daily close over 326 or so, that would be a higher low, which would be generally bullish.
Ah, Neo. What to do? What to do? I want to take profit. Taking profit after a 33-day consolidation is breaking is very difficult.
When's your expiration, Deja?
16th, October 16th.
Can you roll it out?
I can. It's not.
Oh, Jelly, I owe you money, bro. I owe you money, Jelly. What did Apple open at this morning?
I'm not worried about it not staying above 20 by October 16th. I'm just more worried about it failing this top.
Jelly, send me your Venmo info.
Is that a triple bottom on NQ?
Could be if it holds here. If it doesn't hold here, it's gonna get fucking wrecked.
Send me your Venmo, Jelly. Venmo or PayPal.
Sold my Apple about an hour ago. Thank God I did.
All right, this is it for Neo. Trend line. Gonna go back to 20 if it loses this. This trend line is being respected so much. Everybody's watching the same trend line.
The value area high?
No, there's just a big trend line from the lows.
MES lost the 5-minute pivot.
I'm short on SPY, so good for me.
You are smart.
Just a hedge until my long side got, my take profit got filled, which it did, but I'm gonna hold on to my hedge for the debates.
Dime, you found the tweet.
Yeah, I just typed in feisty debater. Came right up. So 2 very specific words together.
Yeah, I didn't even think about that. That's a good search term.
Did you guys update your COD?
I did.
Mine was saying it was broken. I gotta fix it after stream. I think it's because I don't have enough space.
Sees you did.
Yeah, I did.
UVXY calls have been coming in all day. JMA, did you see that $1 million order, opening order on KSS? I don't want to
No.
touch it because it's Coles, but someone bought 1.7 million in calls for $15 strikes.
How far out?
10-2, 15.
I was just at Kohl's the other night.
Elon Musk says he won't take coronavirus vaccine. He calls Bill Gates a knucklehead.
You knucklehead.
Pretty funny. There we go, Neo. Trap him. Needs to get above this pivot.
Fucking starving, but I want to have another coffee. I
Look
don't know
at
if I should drink a
Neo.
coffee or eat.
Neo is trapping the fuck out of these bears.
Trap them.
Came down, tried to fail the trend line, instantly got bought up. Big bull div. Pivot came in. Rocket.
Buy Rocket? Okay. Market
John,
buy.
we are voice chatting from open to close. We have little breaks in between. Sometimes JMA has to go to work. Sometimes I go out to get lunch. Sometimes I go to the gym. Well, I will be moving forward. But for the most
Wow.
part, we are in voice chat the entire trading day.
JMA, have you looked at Rocket? It's almost completely retraced to its listing price. I'm so glad I got out of it.
Our Discord is going live tomorrow. It opens tomorrow, I believe. Yeah, right? Yeah, September 30th, 6 p.m. Yep. Tomorrow at 6 p.m. Eastern, we're opening 10 slots for the Discord. And then we're closing it down for a month again. We're closing down entries, I should say. We're keeping...
Speaking of...
Go ahead.
Sorry, go ahead, Asia.
I was saying we're keeping it pretty tight for the next couple months. Trying to grow slowly. We like to focus on individual traders, not just being a massive group. So try to keep it pretty exclusive. Go ahead.
I was just saying, speaking of taking a break, I'm going to be off tomorrow. My parents
How
are
dare
moving.
you?
They finally fucking sold their house and they're moving tomorrow.
Are they downsizing, upsizing?
Downsizing since I moved out. I'd say another year or two till my brother's gone. So they're moving into an apartment tomorrow while the new place is being built. It's gonna be a fucking pain in the ass, dude, because they got so much shit, dude. So much shit.
Is it here on YouTube? No, so we're in Discord. We have a Discord group. I can show you guys on stream a little sneak peek of what the Discord looks like.
Easy on the memes, guys. Easy on the memes.
There's a video on the website that goes over the Discord. But you can see here, we've got a bunch of channels. Everyone's hanging out in voice chat. We post all of our trades in our channels here. It's like the gains channel for people to post all their gains. I do daily analysis for levels to watch, trades to look for, stuff like that. You can see on here how I called out NIO. I posted NIO yesterday. We post weekly videos in the summary of markets. We got all kinds of stuff in here. I've got mentorship videos, trading tips channel. I can't click on them, obviously. But that is what the Discord looks like.
Can you guys hear me?
Loud and clear.
Fortunately.
Oh my goodness. How many pets do you have?
Who's that?
This is a crazy bitch that got out the other day.
Oh,
Getting all pissed off right now.
Deja, have you guys looked at Zoom today?
No, I haven't.
That, it is nuking.
Oh god, it's getting obliterated, yeah.
We're just talking about selling calls against it. It's just the spreads are fucking disgusting.
Yeah, if you go
Like,
to,
real
does it-
disgusting.
if you go to the website oasistrading.io/discord, there's a countdown. When that countdown hits 0, I'm going to be opening up the slots, and then as soon as they're full, I'm just going to be closing it down again. Going to be going live tomorrow, 6 p.m. Eastern.
So, just a hunch, but usually you have, when Zoom's nuking like this, probably means like there's going to be like some vaccine or stimulus news coming out. So that explains why there was a lot of calls on Myrna this morning. So just something to keep an eye out for.
Do I think NIO's going to gap tomorrow? It's really fucking hard to say, man. I think it could easily, yes. Because we're breaking this massive consolidation. The problem is, this is exactly what it would look like if it wants to turn to a double top. So you could see an inside day tomorrow.
I'm holding Facebook. Zach, I'm holding it.
Yeah, NIO's... Go ahead.
Zach, did you buy calls or did you sell premium? Oh, you're in a naked call.
Yeah, Dirt, I don't trade futures right now. I'm waiting for the volatility to calm down a little bit before I get back in. I used to trade futures a lot. NIO is really struggling at 21, and this is what I told you guys earlier, is 21, and then 25, most likely. 25 is the breakout target. So if you break this range, 25 is where you would look. If it struggles like this into close, what do we have, 10 minutes? I might just close this and get back in tomorrow morning. The only downside to doing that is if it gaps. If it gaps tomorrow, we're going to miss those gains. But I might just close, don't risk the overnight, and then open again tomorrow. You do risk the chance of a gap up, which if it looks like August 25th, you're going to miss a really good gap. I think even if we do pull back tomorrow, NIO's going to go higher. Because, like I said, I sound like a broken record. 35-day consolidation. It's breaking out of it. Look at the volume. There was no volume in that consolidation. Extremely low. Nobody was selling. People were just taking profit. Now we're breaking out of it. I just do not like the overnight risk on NIO right now. I'm up 130 a contract right now, so it's a really good profit. Yeah, I'm going to close NIO here. I'm going to close it entirely, and then if I want to get back in tomorrow morning, I'm going to get back in tomorrow morning. I don't want the overnight risk here. We closed it. We closed it.
I'm proud of you, Deja. Hella proud.
I'll take it, man.
You close Neo, we are officially bullish.
Yeah.
That's true.
You close Neo?
Yeah, I'm gonna close it entirely and then reopen tomorrow morning if it looks bullish. The only downside is I lose the gap. If it gaps up, I lose it.
Hey, Jelly, check your DMs, man.
Facebook's trying to see 263.
All right.
All right, boys. It's been a fucking hell of a week, and it's only Tuesday.
I got the 20 Neo calls for Friday, and I sold the 23s. Now you're making me think about closing mine.
Plus, I don't have Januaries anymore, man. I got rid of those a long time ago. So here's the journey. I'll go over the journey for stream as well. I started out, we were buying Neo short term, doing day trades, blah, blah. I finally was like, fuck it, I'm going to buy Neo long term. So I bought some Neo January calls. They were doing very well. We were up like 30, 40%, I think even 50, something like that. Ridiculous. I rolled them. So I had the 20s, rolled them into the 25s. The 25s started losing money because we pulled back. So I closed the 25 roll up for a small loss. I rolled those into an October 16th contract, which were the 20s. Those are the ones I just closed. When I had those October 16 contracts, during this consolidation, I've been selling premium for weeks now, probably like 2 or 3 weeks. I've been selling premium on those $20 contracts. So I had $20 calls. I was selling the 21s, the 22s, the 23s. I think I even sold some 20s. And that was like the span of like the last month. So I closed all those premiums for profit, and I was stuck with the 20s for October 16th naked. I let those stay naked for the past 2 days, and then we were up 130 a contract on those, so I just closed them. That was my Neo journey. So now I am not a Neo at all. So if Neo has the biggest gap up it's ever seen tomorrow, I'll punch myself in the face.
I'm gonna sell calls on Neo.
I had 3 options here. I had close entirely, and then look to get in tomorrow morning. Close half and just leave it naked. Or sell the 22s. Or I was actually looking at the 2150s. Sell the 2150s for October 9th. I did like the October 9th play, selling the 2150s, but I just decided to close all of it. We'll see if that was the right decision.
Dude, literally the only thing that you risk is it gapping up in the morning.
Yeah.
Better to book profits.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't like the overnight risk. Not where it is. If it would have broke above this high, I would have held it. If it would have broke above 21 and stayed above 21 into the close, I would have held it. Because there's no reason to close it. But because it came back, it came all the way to the high, and then you started to fail the high, there's 2 scenarios here. It either gaps above the high and fucking rips, or this becomes a double top and it fails hard. I'm not risking this thing becoming a double top. Yeah, and if it rips tomorrow, instead of taking the October 16th, I'll probably just go for a day trade. I'll probably take the ones that expire on Friday. And we'll hop in like the 22s or the 21s.
Dude, it is so nice out here today, man. It's literally fucking 50 degrees out right now.
I told you guys, this is what my trading's like. I go on streaks. I have bad streaks and good streaks. I can never be like half and half. We're on a really good streak right now. We had the SPY day trades. We had the NIO. We had the SPY premium. What else did we have? We got the Pinterest premium right now paying us. We took a Q's trade not too long ago that paid us. You guys got 3 minutes. Button up your positions. SPY is also looking hella sketch. Actually, oh sorry, this is NQ. NQ is above the anchored VWAP. ES is not. ES is failing it perfectly. SPY is failing it. I'm pretty sure. Let me see. Yeah, SPY is failing it. Q's is above it. So NASDAQ is actually above the anchored VWAP. SPY is not. NIO, 670,000 calls today. So people are paying attention to NIO again. We could definitely see some momentum tomorrow. I'm hoping that it like nukes in the morning and we can buy it and then it breaks out. Or it has like an inside day. If it has like an inside day but stays above the $20 pivot, that's an easy buy. Tesla is really sketchy. Sally. Tesla is
I like
really
Netflix.
really sketchy.
Okay, I like Netflix. It's just I have so many positions I don't want to take anything more right now.
I think Netflix looks really strong above 498. Below 498, it's a little sketch.
Yeah, that's the top of that range.
Yeah. Gets above that, it can fly. Did Facebook hit my 273? Yes, it did. I told you guys this morning, Facebook 273 end of day.
263.
Sorry, 263. 263, yeah. What was the other one he said? NVIDIA. NVIDIA looks really good. You're just you're stalling out on the range high, which is really sketch. NVIDIA is like the same scenario as NIO. You're stalling out on the range high, which is a very hard thing to hold overnight. All right, there's the bell, boys. There is the bell. NIO actually pumped on the close. We'll see what it does post-market. But I'm going to call it on that, guys. It's been a fucking long day. It's been stressful watching NIO all day. I'm going to call it on that. Appreciate you guys on stream watching. I will be streaming again tomorrow, 3 p.m. Eastern, same time as always. I'll remind you guys again tomorrow, but the Discord goes live tomorrow, 6 p.m. Eastern, 10 slots. Make sure to check that out. I'm going to be posting some testimonials and stuff tonight on Twitter. So keep an eye on that. For you guys in Discord, I'm going to post some analysis tonight. It's going to be a little late. I'm not going to be home for most of the day. So look for it around probably like 11. And I'll add NVIDIA, Kay, since you asked about that. So I'll give you guys some levels to watch. And then, yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. You guys have a good one. Peace out.